Before you start working on your webinar and launching your webinar, you should answer these questions. So save this reel before you forget. So first of all, you need to understand about what is your target audience. And when I say target audience, it means that you should be exactly knowing whether your target audience are in the bracket of a beginner, intermediate, or at expert level. For example, if I'm a business coach and I want to target the audience of like people who are starting out or people who are already making some money, so I will say exact thing for my target audience. So for example, I will say coaches who want to start their coaching business, or coaches who are already making 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. And this is how I'm going to filter the audiences based upon their paying capacity, so that they are at level of buying my final offer. So this is how you filter the audience. The second question that you have to answer is, what is the big problem that you are going to solve for them in the webinar? The answer could be that whether you are making them uh, able to charge high ticket. For example, as a business coach, I will help them to charge high ticket of 1 lakh rupees offer to 5 lakh rupees offer in India and international. That will be my big problem that I'm solving for them, because cash flow and the people are not able to close at high ticket is a genuine problem. So that's my big offer. Now, big problem that I want to solve for them. The what would be my original, the whole offer of my webinar will be that I am helping coaches to learn about high ticket and how they can able to sell at 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees offer by creating those offer for their niche without relying upon the content creation, social media ads, and other things that they are doing, like selling low ticket courses, selling at low prices, and all of these session. Like, so this will be my whole offer of the webinar. Now, to support this whole offer, I will be presenting them with a unique mechanism. And the unique mechanism is something that it should be talking to their primitive brain. Okay, for example, that why, how you are able to solve this, the whatever you're offering the webinar, it should be backed up by some kind of your experience. For example, I will say that by using my AIM framework, which is proven in producing $1 million of sales. So this is something that my messaging is toward only AIM framework. So everything will be like very much interviewed by like, what is this AIM framework that he's talking about? I should be really knowing about. So you should figure out your unique mechanism fast as per your experience and knowledge. Now the last question that you need to ask upon is that what is the name of your webinar. For example, I will say to my webinar like AIM framework, AIM hitting 5 lakh rupees per month, AIM framework masterclass. So this is something that you can also say it something like hybrid sales funnel masterclass. So you have to name your masterclass so that people get to know about it and have some brand talk about it in terms of the brand that you are generating along with it. So yeah, I guess you have seen all of the coaches that they have this kind of AI launchpad webinar. Okay, AI coaching launchpad webinar. So they have their unique mechanism or name that they want to start with. So answer all of these questions to yourself before you start working on your webinar. So thank you so much.